In this video, we want to teach you the easiest way to solve the Rubik's Cube in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe before starting the video. To begin with, we scramble the Rubik's Cube. In the first step, we have to create a plus on the white color. Here, we have to look for white edges and then place them next to the white center. For example, here we have to do this using the R movement. So look carefully. As you can see, a section of the plus is complete. Be careful the corners because we don't need them at this stage. We place the next edge in place with the L prime move. Here we use the F move to change the direction of the edge and then place it. And to prevent the plus from getting breaked, we move the edge using the U motion. Look carefully. And then place it. Let's go to the last edge. I used the same formulas as before, but from the other side. After your plus is complete, you need to match its sequences with the surrounding centers. So let's speed up the movie a bit. We can move on to the next step faster. In this case, when two colors are paired and they are next to each other, we place one of the centers facing each other and the other to the left. And as you can see, it was placed. And now the second is that two centers facing each other must be swiped, and we must use this formula in the case where one of the centers is directly facing us. Here we need to rotate the Rubik's Cube so that the white plus is at the bottom. Now we need to place the corners in their place. For example, here blue and red colors, which must first be placed next to their respective centers and placed using this formula. If it were the right corner, we use this formula. U, R, U prime, R prime. And now, if it was the left corner, we use this formula. U prime, L prime, U, L. And similarly, we place the rest of the corners in their places. If the white piece is facing up, repeat one of the formulas in one of the empty space. At this stage, you need to place the edge, which here are blue and orange. After you set one of the colors to the center, you need to see if it is going to go to the right or the left, and then you run one of the formulas. And as you can see, the formula on the right was executed here. Now let's move on to the formula on the left. That we are not using the yellow edge at this stage. After the colors are set together, we run the formula. And in the same way, we place the rest. At this point, you should form a yellow plus at the top of the Rubik's Cube. Here we have three modes. Number 1, point mode. Number 2, L mode. And number 3, line mode. In L mode, you should run the formula with this mode and run the formula F R U R prime U prime F prime. Line mode. In this mode, the formula must be executed from a yellow plus. F R U R prime U prime F prime. And then yellow plus is formed. Here the Rubik's Cube should be any position with the yellow dot facing you and your left, and run the formula R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and repeat again until it turns into a fish shape. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Now here we need to place the fish down and the left and run the formula like this. Usually the yellow color above is created in 1 or 2 runs of the formula. And as you can see, a yellow color was formed. In the next step, you need to find two paired colors and run the formula for this step exactly. Otherwise, remember to put the matching color on the back and then run the formula R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 R2. Let's move on to the final step. If you liked the video, subscribe and like it so don't miss the next tutorials. At this stage, put the color that has been formed in the back and run this formula once or twice until a Rubik's Cube is completely solved.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.